At GOAL3, we believe in fair and accessible healthcare for everyone. Through medical technology, we enable and empower health workers at places where it's needed the most. While I was working in Tanzania, I've seen dozens of children die from conditions which were perfectly treatable. But there was not enough staff, not enough equipment, so no matter how hard you worked, no matter how hard you tried, you still lost children due to conditions which were treatable. And that was hard, that was difficult.
The type of work in the ICU is so challenging because we take care of very sick patients. Sometimes you see the patient dying. At times when there are 3 or 4 nurses against 6 patients, but it has to be one-to-one, one nurse, one patient.
If we really want to address this need and want to deliver more care to the patients that they deserve, we need to work smarter, not harder.
Doctors make decisions and diagnose patients based on data. By making data easier accessible, doctors will be able to diagnose patients better, earlier, and also faster.
African hospitals need to have devices that are easy to use and easy to maintain as well, and tough to withstand, for example, dust in the hospitals, blackouts, or unreliable power source.
We're developing a patient monitoring device. That device is at the bedside. It monitors the vital signs of a patient, and we are adding one more sensor which is not commonly used, a ballistometry sensor. That sensor is placed underneath the mattress, so it's completely contactless. So that's going to require a lot less work of the healthcare workers while still being able to capture the vital signs.
I feel very good to have such kind of equipment because at the end of the day, when you see a very sick patient getting out of the ICU alive, it makes your morale go up.
We started GOAL3 2.5 years ago because we wanted to make scalable impact through the products that we are developing. Since then, we have developed successful partnerships with our partners in Malawi. We were awarded a European Union grant of 3.5 million euros. We have now developed the second version of our system, and we are ready to deploy this in a clinical setting starting in July as part of this Impala project.
We are going to capture the data of about 1,000 patients in the next year. And with the data of these 1,000 patients, we hope to develop an algorithm which will help to detect symptoms of deteriorating patients early on.
It will be easy for us to detect, then we can manage them, then they can go home alive.
Our system will save more than 50 children's lives per hospital per year, and it will also lead to reduced costs for the hospital. Therefore, the system, in effect, pays for itself, is very scalable and can achieve a large impact across Africa.
We make this available in a subscription model, cutting out the expensive upfront cost and making this technology available for African hospitals.
And this is where you come in. We are looking for investors that can help us to move to the final stage, in which we will finalize our product and bring it to markets in Malawi, Rwanda and South Africa. We believe in fair and accessible healthcare for everyone. Please join our mission, because we all health.